How to get Stripe API key. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to get your Stripe API key. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Stripe website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to log in with your Stripe account. So after logging with your account, this dashboard will appear. So this is what my dashboards look like. And if you create an account, you will actually get two API keys. So in order to find that, you can just go to the developer tab right here, and you will see publishable key and secret key. So these two API keys can be used on different purpose. And for example, publishable key can be used on creating a token out of your data, any data, and the secret key is, this can be used on using the token itself. So you can actually copy them by clicking on them. So I'm just going to unhide my secret key. So I'm going to blur it. And if I click it right here, it says click to copy. And if I click it, it's already copied in my clipboard, and I can just, share it or, use it somewhere else. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can find your API keys on Stripe. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.